Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in mathematics, we are going to be learning about place values. Okay? Today's lesson is on place values. Okay? Good. Remember, place values are placing numbers according to their worth. Okay? So today's video, we're going to be learning about placing numbers according to their worth from the ones to millions. Okay? We have here the ones, the tens, hundred, thousand, and millions. So the digit 5 has a value of 5 million, which is here 5 is 5 million. It represents 5 million. And remember, million has 6 zeros, so 5 million. Then the digit 4 has a value of 4,000. It's worth 4,000. So we have 4,000. And the digit 3 has a value of 300. Okay, 300. And the digit 2 has a value of 2 tenths, which is 20 2 tenths. And the digit 1 has a value of ones. Okay? So now we are going to be looking at a few examples. Here we have 396. We have to place this number according to its worth. Okay? What is the value of 396? The 6 represents the ones, 9 represents the tens, and 3 represents 100, right? So it is 6 in ones, 9 in tens, 3 in 100. We don't have 1,000 or a million, okay? So we have placed this number according to its words. Ones is 6, tens is 9, 100 is 3. So we have 396. Okay? We remember this pattern, right? Good. We also have here 5,670. 5,670. We have to place this number according to its worth. 0 in ones, 7 in tens, 6 in 100, and 5 in 1,000. We have 5,670. So we have placed this number according to its worth. Okay? We are to place this number 34,385 according to its worth on the place value. How do we place this on the place value system? If we say here 5 is ones, 8 is tens, 3 is 100, 4 is 1,000, and 3. What will it be? It cannot be million because this is not million. This is just 34,000. It's still in thousand. 34,385. So we can't place this number using the system. Okay? We also have here 2,450,780. We can use the system to place our number 4 number. Okay? If we want to place it with this system, 0 in ones, 8 in tens, 7 in hundred, 0 in thousand is not possible, right? So we are going to be using another system for our place value. This is the system we are going to be using for our place value in today's lesson. I just did a recap with us on how we have been using our place value. But today's video, we are going to be using this system to place our numbers according to their words, okay? We have the millions, thousands, and ones. And under the ones, we have hundreds, tens, and ones. Under the thousands, we have 100,000, 10,000, and 1,000. And under the millions, we have 100 millions, tens millions, and 1,000,000. So today we are going to be learning how to place these numbers according to their words using this place value system. Okay, let's move on to some examples to help us understand better. Okay, so we have 1,550. We are to place this number according to its words in the place value system. So we are going to be starting with the ones, okay? That is how to start. You don't start with the millions, you start with the ones. So placing 1,550, it's going to be 0 while starting with the ones column, okay? So 0 in the ones column in ones and 5 in the ones column in tens. The next 5, which is 500, in the ones column in 100. And 1 in the ones column in 1,000. So we have 1,550. Do we understand that? Okay. Next example, number 2, we have 34,385. We are to place this number in the place value system. So we start with the ending number first, okay? 5 in the ones column in ones, 8 in the ones column in tens, 3 in the ones column in 100, 4 in the thousand column in ones, 1,000, and 3 in the thousand column in the tens, 1,000. So we have here 34,385. Okay. Our next number, we have 756,247. We are to place these in the place value system. 7 in the ones column in the ones, 4 in the ones column in the tens, 2 in the ones column in 100, 6 in the thousand columns in 1,000, 5 in the thousand column in the tens thousand, 7 in the thousand column in the 100,000. So we have 756,247. Do we understand this method? We do, right? So we have placed in the thousands. Let's look at more examples to help us understand better. These figures are in millions. So we have 2,450,780. So we are to place these in the place value system. So we start with the ending number at our right, okay? we have 0. 0 goes to the ones in the ones column. And 8 goes under the ones in the tens column. 7 goes under the ones in 100. 0 goes under the ones in 1000. 5 goes under the 10,000 in 1000 column. And 4 goes under the 100,000 in the 1000 column. 2 goes under the ones in million in the million column. So we have 2,450,780. Okay, do we understand that? Good. The next figure we have 35,946,254. We are to place this figure in the place value system. We start with 4. 4 in the ones column in ones, 5 in the ones column in tens, 2 in the ones column in 100, 6 in the ones column in 1000, 4 in the 10,000 column in 1000, 9 in the 100 column in 1000, 5 in the ones million column in millions, and 3 in the tens million column in millions. So we have 35,946,254. Do we understand this? We place 35,946,254 in the place value system. Okay. Next we have 650,375,413. We are to place this in the place value system. So we start with 3. 3 goes in the ones column in the ones, 1 in the ones column in the tens, 4 in the ones column in 100, 5 in the 1000 column in ones, 1000, 7 in the 1000 column in tens thousand, 3 in the 1000 column in the 100,000, 0 in the millions column in ones million, 5 in the millions column in tens million, and 6 in the millions column 100 million. Okay, so we have 650,375,413. Okay, so this is how to place larger numbers in the place value. Do we understand that? Previously, we are using the method we first looked at, but now you can use this method to place larger numbers in their words. Okay, we have the millions, thousands, and ones, and under ones we have 100, tens, and ones, and under thousand we have 100,000, tens thousand, and ones thousand. And under millions we have 100 million, tens million, and ones million. So we use this system to place number according to their values. Okay? And when you are placing a figure according to its value, you start from the end number at your right. Do we understand that? Always remember to start at the end number at your right. Then you move from there to your left. Okay? So next we have our assignment. I'm sure we are going to be able to do our assignment using the new place value system we just learned, right? Place these numbers according to their words in the place value system. Okay? Good.